Hey bird watchers, in this demo we're going to explore how to use tags in AEM to trigger translations in both Intento and Smartling. Let's check out some English content in AEM. Our AEM app can handle guides and assets, but in this demo we're going to focus on a basic site page. Blackbird has a few different events that can trigger an AEM workflow. In this demo, we'll use a tag. Back in AEM, we're going to set a tag under the properties section of the page we want to have translated. This is for a use case when you want specific controls over which pages need to go for translation. Blackbird can also support bulk page translations as well. And our bird has already started its flight. We're downloading the content from AEM in an interoperable format to pass on to our machine translation tool, Intento in this case. And when it's done, it will create a new target language page in AEM. We'll go to our German folder here and we can see that the new page is available. Let's go into the page and see how the translation flowed back in. Now, we'll do the same thing for our French page, only we'll use a TMS, Smartling, to process the content. Using a Blackbird checkpoint, our flight's just going to chill out here until we get a ping from Smartling to let us know that the translation is ready. And here's our job in Smartling. We can see that it created a French locale for us to work into. The content is available here in the strings section, but we're going to head over to the cat tool UI to look at them there. In Blackbird, we can configure how to pre-translate or empty the content. For this demo, I sent the content in blank, so we can see that here. And now I'm just going to translate this into French. Not really. I can barely speak English. Voila! The translation is ready now. We'll save the page, submit the strings to complete the job, and back in Blackbird, our checkpoint triggers to download the translated file and send it back to AEM. And we can see that similar to our German MT from Intento, our French version from Smartling is here. Now, feel free to stick around to see how you can configure this in Blackbird. As you can see, we can set the exact tags we want and also provide advanced filtering for this event. When creating a job in Smartling, we also have a lot of options. If you want to get fancy, you can add a Blackbird utility step to generate a due date and dynamically add it here. The download content step also gives you more controls and granularity over the exact content you want to use in your translation process. For the upload step, you have some more features and could easily turn this into a multilingual workflow using a loop to update content in several language folders. And that'll do it for this demo. We just saw event-driven automation across an MT app and a TMS. But that's just the start. With Blackbird, we can add in MTQE, automatic post-editing, Slack notifications, data tracking in Excel, and much, much more. Because with Blackbird, any process can fly.